Hi y'all, I'm Dr. Fitz and we're going to be together working on the class Language and Culture in the Public Schools, and I just wanted to make this video as a little overview of our As You Learn site in case you need it. So I just set up our As You Learn site as collapsible topics, so you might need to, if you need to look at something, you might need to expand the topic so that you can see the resources that are there. So that's thing number one. Again, sorry to jump around just a little bit. Up here is my contact information. I am going to be teaching this class as well as CI 3000, which is in Block 1 on Mondays and Wednesdays. And so I'll be around in between those classes for office hours if you need me, as well as Thursday. Thursdays I go down to Hickory, so that's why I'm not available in the afternoon. If you need to see me some other time, just email me and we'll set up a time. Okay, so right quick, I just wanted to show you, I use Google Drive quite a bit. So you can find our readings and our course calendar linked here on Google Drive. So you just click on the link, it should send you right to where the syllabus is, and you should be able to view it. If you ever can't view something, just let me know, because I might have not had my sharing settings correctly. So there's our syllabus. Here's our course calendar. So the syllabus has all of our policies for the class, all of the assignments, the grade, like what the class is about, and we'll talk about that in class a little bit. But there's it all in detail. And then the calendar is really a map of our whole semester overview. And then the last thing that I did is we're going to be using a few different discussion groups this semester. Y'all are going to be helping me facilitate class, and you're going to have literature circles as well. So to kind of keep that all straight, we're going to map that out on here, and this also just provides an overview of major due dates. There's other due dates that you'll have to keep up with regards to weekly assignments. The other thing that I wanted to just show you is that, so the assignments, I have our major assignments up here, and these will be where you're going to submit those assignments. The assignment submission things are right there. And then each week I will post the activities in here. And like I said, you can always look as an overview. The calendar is really something that you can print out and keep with you. But just check As You Learn. This is what we're going to, like, if anything changes, it'll be on As You Learn. So on As You Learn, I'll either have a web page like I have for our first day of class. So these are the first things that we're going to be doing. And you can also even get started on these if you want to as well. So I'll either have our materials, like I said, on a web page or in a folder. The only difference is that with the web page I have to link things, and then with the folder I can also have some attachments if I want to. So I think that's it. I don't want to go on, and that's 4 minutes, so I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.